Motion blur, transition, Alight motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, find and open Alight motion on your device. Once the app is open, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to begin a new project. Now set your project settings according to your needs. After setting the project options, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Next, press the plus button in the bottom right corner and import the footage that you want to use. Once your footage has been added to the timeline, select the footage layer and go to the Effect option. Press Add Effect to open the effect library. Inside the effect categories, find the blur option and select it. After opening the blur category, find the motion blur effect and select it. Once you find the effect, apply it to your footage layer. Now go to Move and Transform and choose the type of animation you want to use. You can choose between position, rotation, or scale. For example, if you want to create a scale animation, open the Scale option. Turn on the Scale keyframe and create 2 keyframes on the footage. Set the first keyframe by zooming the footage to the size you want. Then move forward to the second keyframe and set the scale back to the default value. This creates the animation that will work together with the motion blur effect. After setting the scale keyframes, open the graph editor and adjust the graph based on your needs. The graph controls the speed and smoothness of the animation between the keyframes. Continue adjusting it until the motion looks the way you want. To adjust the blur amount, go back to the Effect section and open the Motion Blur Effect settings. Inside the effect, you can adjust the blur strength by moving the tuning bar. Increase or decrease the value until you get the blur intensity that fits your transition. You can also choose which animation properties will affect the blur. For example, you can turn off the position blur and angle blur while leaving the scale blur enabled.